Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, that is 7th October 2020. Thought of the week: the pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. Winston Churchill. Students, we have started lesson number 4, that is operations on fractions. We have started practice set 10 and we have done question number 1 and 2. Now we are going to start question number 3, word problem solve. First question: Suyash bought 2.5 kg of sugar and Ashish bought 3.5 kg of sugar. How much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar cost 32 rupees per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? Solution: sugar bought by Suyash is equal to 2.5 kg. Sugar bought by Ashish is equal to 3.5 kg. Therefore, sugar bought by them altogether is equal to 2 integer 1 upon 2 plus 3 integer 1 upon 2, because we have to find total quantity of the sugar. Now these are the mixed number. Therefore, we have to convert these numbers into improper fraction. Therefore, conversion: 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2. Now the denominators are same, therefore direct addition: 5 plus 7 upon 2 is equal to 12 upon 6. Both are even numbers. 12 is divisible by 2, therefore they bought 6 kg of sugar in all. Now the cost of 1 kg of sugar is 32 rupees. Therefore total amount spent is equal to 6 into 32 is equal to 6 2s are 12, 2 1 carry, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. Therefore 192 rupees. Answer: total amount spent is 192 rupees. Second question: Aradhana grows potatoes into fifth part of her garden, greens in one third part, and brinjal in the remaining part. On how much of her plot did she plant brinjals? Solution for this: part part of the garden used to grow potatoes is equal to 2 upon 5. Part of the garden used to grow greens is equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore, total part of the garden used to grow potatoes and greens together is equal to 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. Here denominators are different, therefore we have to make them same. Therefore, we are going to multiply the first fraction by 3 and second fraction by 5. Therefore, 2 into 3 upon 5 into 3 plus 1 into 5 upon 3 into 5. 2 into 3 gives you 6 and 5 into 3 gives you 15, whereas 1 into 5 gives you 5, 3 into 5 gives you 15. Now the denominators are same, therefore 6 plus 5 upon 15 is equal to 11 upon 15. Therefore part of the garden for brinjal left one garden complete, and of that one complete garden 11 upon 15th part was used to grow potatoes and green. Therefore we have to subtract 11 upon 15 minus from 1. Therefore 1 minus 11 upon 15. Now 15 ones are 15 minus 11 upon 15 is equal to 4 upon 15, and therefore 4 upon 15th part of the plot she plants brinjals, or she uses 4 upon 15th part of the plot to plant brinjals. Now, last question of the third question: Sandeep filled water in 4 upon 7th of an empty tank. After that, Ramakant filled 1/4 part more of the same tank. Then Umesh used 3/14th part of the tank to water the garden. If the tank has maximum capacity of 560 liters, how many liters of water will be left in the tank? Solution to this question: part of the tank filled by Sandeep is equal to 4 upon 7. Part of the tank filled by Ramakant is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, total part of the tank filled by both is equal to 4 upon 7 plus 1 upon 4. Denominators are different. Therefore, we have to multiply first fraction by 4 and second fraction by 7. Therefore, 4 into 4 upon 7 into 4 plus 1 into 7 upon 4 into 7. 4 4s are 16 and 7 4s are 28. Therefore, first fraction is 16 upon 28 and 1 into 7 is equal to 7. 4 7s are 28. Second fraction is 7 upon 28. Now the denominators are same. Therefore, 16 plus 7 upon 28 is equal to 23 upon 28. Therefore, part of the water in a tank used by Umesh is 3 upon 14. Therefore, water left in the tank is equal to 23 upon 28 minus 3 upon 14. Denominators are different, but student, if you see very carefully, then it is clearly understand that 14 is a multiple of 28. Therefore, 28 is a multiple of 14, and therefore, if we multiply the second fraction by 2, we get the denominator as 28. Therefore, keeping first fraction as it is 23 upon 28 minus second fraction 3 into 2 upon 14 into 2 is equal to 23 upon 28 minus 6 upon 28. Now the denominators are same. Therefore, 23 minus 6 upon 28 is equal to 17 upon 28. Therefore, 17 upon 28 part of water left in the tank of capacity 560. Therefore, water left in the tank is equal to 17 upon 28 multiplied by 560. 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56 and 0 as it is. Therefore, 17 into 20 gives you 17 twos are 34. Therefore, answer is 340. Therefore, 340 liters of water is left in the tank of capacity 560. Students, you have to copy down all these three questions in your copy. We are going to start new concept in the next period. Till then, complete your work. See you in the next period. Thank you.